Hello, I'm Ben from Compact Group. I'm here to show you the SwiftLiner system and how easy it is to install. It's New Zealand made, it's fast, it's cost effective and durable. This really is New Zealand's smartest wall lining system. Let's get into it. I would like to point out the angle brace we've used in the wall in conjunction with the handy bracket. This wall is now ready for the SwiftLiner wall linings. To do this, we need to make sure we install this first sheet true and level. To do this, we will glue the stud and nogs and then nail across the top and bottom of the sheet, making sure it is level. The advantage of the tongue and groove on the SwiftLiner system allows us to join the sheets anywhere on the wall without having to join on a stud. The next step is to add a couple of hidden fixings on the nog line through the tongue. I'm about to demonstrate how easy it is to join the SwiftLiner sheets. As you can see on the sheet already, I have the yellow tongue inserted. I am lining up the groove in this sheet, starting at the bottom, lining it up all the way, pushing it across, and using a block with a hammer to close the last little gap. Now it's ready for nailing. Now you can see how fast and simple it is to install the SwiftLiner wall lining system. No jib stopping, no priming, no painting. All that's left to do is install the trims. When it comes to installing sheets around doors or windows, you simply measure and cut the sheet to suit and then install it in the same process as a standard sheet. This shows how quick and easy the SwiftLiner system is to install. Any queries, please reach out to one of our team.